Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best pool Q-tips that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have Kamui Clear Black Q-Tip. One of KAMUI's best creations to date is the clear Blackpool Q-Tip. From being able to make precise shots in order to pocket balls, the black is an upgrade from the original in that this provides more elasticity than the former. Not just that, you get those much coveted, flawless spins, precision as well as those clear-cut position plays, all in one Q-tip. Moreover, the Kamui Clear Black Q-Tip is also excellent at delivering powerful strikes, quality that is always welcome in a game of pool. This tip comes in 4 varying stages of firmness to select from: super soft, soft, medium and hard. This gives you free rein to pick those that suit your play the best or one you prefer the most. Moving on at number 4, we have Q-Sol Pool Q-Tip. Q-Sol is a brand well known in the billiards industry for the fantastic equipment that they produce. Apart from the generous variety to pick from, you will also be happy to know that the tips from Q-Sol are easily installable, whether you decide to screw them on or opt for gluing. What is even better is that if you also a fan of snooker, these Q-tips can double as snooker Q-tips. Just that you will have some sharpening to do to bring it to shape. So, with all this merit on hand, the quality, construction, functionality, option for multi-use, there is no reason to skip out on such a great purchase. It will be worth the price once you start using it. At number 3, we have Tiger Everest Laminated Billiard Q-Tip. Tiger is yet another brand that knows how to manufacture a good pool Q-tip and has gained much attention for it. Tiger Everest is one such product of theirs that has everything packed into a single tip. It has the structure of a hard tip. You get precise shots like those from a medium tip and fantastic control from the soft one. There are 2 sizes available for this Q-tip: 13mm and 14mm, both of which are made from pigskin of top quality. At first, the best layers are chosen, which are then split. After that, these split layers undergo yet another selection process from which the most long-lasting and smooth 10 layers are picked for the tip. This step is followed by vacuum laminating with the vacuum process to create one of the classiest Q-tips on earth. It is a virtually ideal Q-tip, not only ideal for striking but also breaking. However, you may have to cut or trim it too as you see fit when you are fixing it to your cue. At number 2, we have Kamui Clear Original Pool Q-Tip. Just like the former 2 brands, Kamui is a master at creating Q-tips of the finest quality, being one of the leading businesses in its field. The Kamui Clear Original Layered Pool Q-Stick Tip is a classic used by people all over the world. The original clear tip by Kamui comes in 13mm or 14mm leather, constructed with 8 layers of pigskin leather in total. All materials used are top-notch and they come with plenty of advantages that other tips of this type in the market do not. The first of those advantages would be the fact that the last layers of the tip are not at all inclined to absorbing the glue used, which plays a big role in making your shots uniform. Additionally, when you are using this super soft tip, you will not be required to sand or smooth out the bottommost layer. How convenient is that for maintenance? This speaks volumes about the product, one everyone should try. And finally at number 1, Kamui Original Laminated Q-Tip. Original or black? Original was intended to execute ball pocketing with higher precision by enhancing the clean transfer of power to the cue ball. Black then increased the elasticity, and therefore the ability to impart spin to the cue ball for accurate position play. 2 different styles of playability exist to enable the realization of intuitive play. Kamui promises performance and consistency. The ability to rely on product performance enables players to seek higher-level strategies and intuitively rely on their imagination to its fullest extent. Humidity resistance. Kamui tips are made of vegetable tanned leather. Vegetable tanned leather is a far superior process in durability and elasticity compared to chrome tanned leather. However, Vegetable tanned leather has a tendency to absorb moisture, which degrades the performance of the durability and elasticity. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.